Hey guys, Sandra Searles of sandrasearles.com. How about a short video with the help of my hubby, hi hubby,
Hello.
on how to fill your electric hydraulic pump. We previously filled this reservoir but wanted to walk you through the procedure. Okay, so you will need 2.1 gallons of AW-46 hydraulic oil. You can find this hydraulic oil at most automotive parts store, pretty much whichever store is in your area. Just check and see. Paper towels are a must. Unscrew and remove the filler cap. Insert your funnel. We decided to use a super tall funnel strictly because I wanted it out and above the motor. Pour your oil. Okay, this here is the sight glass. I don't know if you can see that, but that is the sight glass. Fill the reservoir until the sight glass reaches half full. You should be able to see this immediately when it's full. Once that's accomplished, you're done. Remove the funnel and replace the filler cap. It's that easy. Honestly, guys, it's that easy. Your electric hydraulic pump is ready to use with your sandrasearles.com hydraulic press. Yay!